Hello, you are welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'll be sharing with you how you could send funds or your crypto coin from one Binance account to another. Maybe you have been sending funds from Binance to Binance and you have been spending money on ridiculous amount of price for transaction fee. I tell you, this video is a guide that will show you other ways by which you could just send funds from one Binance account to another Binance account free of charge without transaction fee. You might have been getting your hands burnt sending coins, let's say BTC, BNB, Ethereum, paying for huge amount of transaction fees, sending from one account or from one wallet to another. I tell you, this video is a guide. And yesterday, this video is a continuation of the one I dropped about how to deposit funds to your Binance account. If you haven't watched it, please check in the description of this particular video. You see the link. You have to watch that one so that you'll be able to understand this one better. Let's say the first thing we'll be needing, let's say I want to make use of my Binance ID. Okay, let's say I'll be making use of my Binance ID. Let me just copy it. Let me copy it. The ID has been copied. What you just need to do if you want to send, let's say maybe BTC or any coin of your choice to another account, you need to come here, come down to your wallet, then you tap on withdraw. That's the first thing you'll be doing. You tap on withdraw, but mind you, you need to pay close attention to this. Let's say I want to make use of USDT. Let me cancel this. This is the wrong way you have been doing it. When you tap on send via crypto network, you'll be paying for transaction fee. But here's the juicy part. When you pay send via email, phone number, or ID, you'll be sending from one Binance notes from one Binance account to another free of charge without paying a dime. Let's click on that. Let's click on Max. Yeah, it's telling us when you click at the first one, it's saying email. If you know the person email, you can send it through that. Phone number, UID. I've copied my own personal UID. Let me paste it there. You see it's saying send, then you just tap on it. It will take you to another phase. It say please do not pay to yourself. They actually got me there. I'm paying to myself, but if to another account, it will take you to another interface to verify, to show the name of that particular account. Then you just tap on send, and voila, it's as easy and as fast as anything. Nothing like you are waiting for the network to complete it, for the blockchain to access it, or to record it. No, this one is as fast as anything, like the speed of light. So you have been doing it the wrong way. Please, this is the right way that you need to do it. Please kindly drop your comment, kindly drop your suggestion in the description of this particular video, and kindly like, share, and click on the bell notification so you can get notified anytime we drop other amazing video. Thank you.